On our way to Ventura Beach here from the iconic Union Station. Let me do a little 360. Union Station here in Los Angeles. It's a landmark. Sorry for the 360. On our way to Ventura Beach. Those are the schedules right here. And right before the tunnel, there's places where you could buy something to eat before you head out. A beverage or a sandwich right before takeoff here at the Union Station. Try to get here 20 minutes ahead of schedule. As you can see, I'm sweating. Had a good speed walk. The ocean train, they call it Surfliner. It's about to depart in a few minutes, but remember, always get here at least 30 minutes before takeoff of the train down to Ventura. Off from Los Angeles to Ventura. This is a Ventura Station right in front of Ventura Beach. Here the Surfliner, Amtrak California. And right over there, zooming a little bit in, the hotel we're staying at. This 2 next days. And right over here, the beach and where the county fair takes place. Really beautiful, mellow, low profile city here, Ventura. And one of the most efficient ways to get here is with the Amtrak Surfliner that at this point costs about, I would say, half of the gas, which is very expensive. This walk is ending up a little bit longer than I thought. I thought it was like 200 feet away, because from the hotel we could see the station. But when you see something from a long distance, you say, hey, it's only this much. Hey, it's only that long. But anyways, this is cool right here. We got here in about 2 hours from the Union Station in Los Angeles to Ventura stop. That was really cool. Really scenic. I'll see if I got a little bit of footage, which I think I did. But it's about a 10 minute medium walk to the Ventura Beach, where it's, and you could say in the middle. If you're staying at the hotel here, it's about a 7-minute walk. And if you go to Ventura County Fair, right there, it's a 3-minute walk. So let's see how it goes. Alright, this line is too long. Line is too long for these tacos. Now I got these beautiful fried shrimp taco, fried mini shrimp taco, guacamole, chips, and my favorite arroz, but no leche. This is right by the Ventura pier. Alright, let's see how long it takes me to get to the flag. Should be there in little barking. Should be there in about 2 minutes. 45 minutes later, I finally made it. I might be exaggerating. Just got to the tip of the board pier. If you're skipping onto this is Ventura Pier Boardwalk, which is really nice. It was a good exercise. I think I burned off a quarter of the burrito. The parking spots right there. If you come over to visit, hotels. There's a potential Airbnb right there. And that over there, right at the tip, is a picture I took for my YouTube profile. Let me zoom in to get a better look. Those palm trees right there for the banner on YouTube, if this makes it to YouTube, which I believe it will. Oh, zoomed in too much, so hopefully it doesn't wiggle that much. Now mountain view. And this is a potential Airbnb right there, the condos. Otherwise, you guys could book a room over there by Ventura Harbor. That one right there is a little pricey. If you're just here for a day trip, they got parking right there. If it's from the center of the city, it's about in between 90 minutes and 2 hours. You gotta go to that taco place. It was pause worthy. Right there. And right over here. Let's see, where am I? Oh, I'm at the Ventura Pier. Established presumably the year that it has there, 1872. I never knew that there was a Pacific Coast bike route. That sounds kind of cool. Never knew. It's a nice view. Nice view. Just be careful if you ever take this bike route. Don't be looking too much to the beach. Just a reminder, over there to the far right, there are a lot of rocks. And over here to the left, there are less rocks. When I say rocks, I mean like stones that you gotta step over to get on the beach. On the left side, there are less. On the right side, there are a whole lot. Just FYI.